There are too many beautiful creation in the universe. Too many beautiful creation. Like sun in his creation. I am not defining and like that. This creation is created by someone and this creation is created by someone. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that creation. We can here take that name creation in universe. Okay. So we just don't have to put in the concept of creator or anyone else. Just we have to think about creation. Okay. So there are many beautiful art and many beautiful creation in the universe, like a river flowing. What a beautiful creation in the universe. I'm not saying we are not discussing on the topic of creator because we don't know about anyone, but we are just talking about creation. Okay, all the beautiful creation in the universe, like flowing rivers, oceans, and trees which are giving us fruit and vegetables. We are getting and we are eating, and we are getting light from the sun, the beautiful sun we are seeing in day, and the beautiful moon we are seeing in night. If we focus on and if we are seeing consciously that how many beautiful creation in the universe is, we will become amazed. We will be amazed that how many beautiful creation in the universe, and we are just become too casual about them. That we are become too casual about them. And this thing is yes. Yeah, this I know, this I know, this I know, this I know. But we have to, if we start counting, not there will be countless. There will be countless beautiful creation in the universe. And what's the most beautiful creation in the universe? Let's take 5 seconds and think. Got that? The most beautiful creation in the universe is life. And it is not just about that our life. It is about life. Whether it's life of plant, whether it's life of animal, whether it's life of birds, whether it's life of species in the oceans, whether it's life of ourselves. All the life in the universe are equally special, and the most beautiful creation in the universe is life. Because the life has the amazing property. Like if we take a subset of life, like we ourselves humans, that because of our thinking, we make and we evolve too much, that we make traveling too fast. We can travel from one country to another country in few hours. You are saying we can call here from here to someone in foreign, and it will be direct. We can send SMS from one country to another. We can go from outer the earth. We are planning to go on Mars. We went on Mars by robotics, but we are planning to go to Mars by humans. That we want to send astronaut there, like we sent on moon. So this is the thing I am talking about. That life is the most beautiful creation in the universe, because a life which is peaceful in itself, it can make its environment more peaceful and more light. If like some conscious people go on Mars, they definitely make the place they are living be much best place on the Mars that they know till that. When they will reach on Mars, they will make the place best. How? Because we are conscious. Because we know how to make place better. We know how to make place good. This is the quality of life. This is the quality of life, and the most beautiful thing about the life, that we all are connected and we all are unique and we all are special. Like someone is creative in music, someone is creative in painting, someone is creating in writing, someone is creating in music direction, someone is creating in writing stories, someone is creative in playing soccer, someone is creating in playing football, and someone is creating in cricket, someone is creative in badminton, someone is creative in computers. And what are all the other things which are someone? These are someone are the lives in the universe. And what all the people which are creative in their own field and they have become greatest for their field, they just don't do only work for themselves. Even they think themselves, but they make the world more and more peaceful than they ever found. So the most beautiful thing in the universe is life in the universe, because life in the universe itself from universe, and we study the universe. You are seeing how much beautiful and special thing is that. Life in the universe is the most special and significant creation in the universe. We can also take that it is creation of the universe, but it is the most special and significant creation in the universe, life. Because we are living in today, and we can think the work will be what will be world after 50 years, after 100 years, and we can do work to make world more peaceful. We can do work like that. We are planting tree, and we start that many NGOs, and we can start that many free lectures, and we can start many helping students. So we can start and we can do several things which will make world much more peaceful after 100 years than it is now, which will affect humans. When we help someone, it become only in the nature to help someone then. So no, when we give life to someone, it's natural that he or she will give life to another someone else. And if we give darkness, so he or she will give darkness to someone else. So because we know the things, and when we will do, and when we start doing continuously good work and with right thinking, with consciousness, the life after 50 years, the life after 100 years, the life after 1,000 years, and the life after millions years and billions years will be much more peaceful, much more visionary, much more conscious than the life is on now on this planet Earth. That I am saying, that is the power life has. That is the specialty life has. So life in the creation is the most special and most significant creation in the universe. And see, the life has we have no limitation to think, and we have no limitation to imagine, and we have not limitation in any dimension of life, that we came from star, okay? But we didn't know this thing before million years ago. We didn't know, but as the life evolve, we are now in the field of science. We are evolved too much that by studying the stars and by studying the radiation which is coming from them, and wavelength from them, and the energy component from them, we found that what type of element the star is made of, and then we found that the phenomena that is star explode, and then it exploded into planets, and then planets is to life came, and then we born. So see, the life is evolving too far that we came from star, but none of us see that we came from star. We find that after studying that. So you are seeing that how much life can do in the universe. We came from the universe, and we are studying universe. It is too. Life is the blessed creation by the universe. Life is the blessed creation by the universe, and life is the best thing in the universe. It is. We can do anything. Life in the universe can do anything. We are studying universe, and the more and more we start seeing that we are deeply related with universe, the more and more we start seeing that we are deeply related with nature. The more we start seeing that all the life in the universe we are similar, and we are connected. That we all are made of carbon component, and most of the component of our body are the same. So why that dominating nature of people will be shattered? Because the people who are only thinking earthly, they arise ego in themselves. The people who are thinking universally, the only thing have there in the heart is unity. So to feel and to see and to understand that we are all are connected, we have to study universe, and we have to see universally. The more we see universally, the more our action become universal, and a deep sense of unity arises in us. A deep sense of unity. That's what I am saying. All the things I am talking about, all the things can seen only by life in the universe, and the life has the amazing property to become conscious. That we can decide our thinking, and we can design the thinking direction of our thinking, and we can move ahead in the direction of the thinking. That we are know that after several years what will be I doing. Like I am recording like a lecture, and I am just thinking about what type of lecture I am recording after 5 years, 10 years, and 15 years. So this type of vision come into our mind. This is the property life has. So yeah, we should not take life is to go for grantedly. We should not. Every life should become special and significant in the universe. We are too special and significant in the universe. Every life in the universe should do something special and significant in the universe. Every life must do some special and significant in the universe. Something special in the universe, because every life is special and significant in the universe. We came from stars, and we have to feel that, man. We came from stars. We should not take this for granted. We should not. Life is the most beautiful creation in the universe. It's the most special creation in the universe, and it is only certain period of time physically. Life is the most beautiful creation in the universe. Thank you.